Hi, everyone. I'm Vickie. I work for MentionMe during the faculty fellowship. MentionMe is a company that provides its client a platform to deploy Refer a Friend program. If you're a customer of brands like Zipcar, you can easily recommend a friend with this brand using MentionMe service. Over the past 6 years, MentionMe has serviced more than 400 clients and has introduced more than £500 million revenue for its clients. So how does their product work? When a customer made a purchase at a client site, the client can serve different offers to different customers. For example, £10 off versus 10% off. And then when a customer sees the offer, the customer can choose to share the offer with a chosen share method. Then the data will then be sent back for A/B testing. A successful referral campaign can result in 20% of share rate, and around 6% of total customer results in a successful referral, meaning that they bring in new customer for the client, meaning revenue for the client as well as for MentionMe. So, can we make people share more? To answer this, we can first ask, can we predict which share method a particular customer would choose for sharing? If we know which share method people use, we can make sharing more readily available and therefore increase the share rate. Second, can we identify who's likely to share and who is not? Being able to identify who's a sharer allows MentionMe to introduce targeted marketing. For example, if you know someone's not going to share, you might want to offer them something else rather than telling them to share. MentionMe has a rich set of customer data, which contain features such as like first name, email domain, locale code, transaction history, and so on, which I can then be used for generate new features such as like gender, device, operation system, people use for making a purchase. Until now, it has not been tested whether these features are important for the business. Having these features, the next step will be to pass these features into a machine learning model to make predictions. Testing the model in an unseen holdout dataset, the model achieves an 80% and 97% accuracy for predicting sharers and non-sharers respectively. Using the same technique, the model is able to predict some of the share methods very accurately. But having a good model is not enough. Being able to understand the model can be very valuable, like what Josh said at the beginning of this event. Therefore, I made use of a machine learning explainability tool called Sharply Values to infer which features are important for driving the model outcome. And here are the 10 most important features for predicting the use of different share methods. For example, the use of a mobile phone for making a purchase is a strong contributor to the use of email and WhatsApp as share methods. At the moment, which share method a customer can choose from is pre-configured by the client. Now, the client can essentially create personalized share page for different customers. Being able to identify who's likely to share and who's not allows MentionMe to have targeted marketing. MentionMe has a new product where customers are randomly allocated into one of these 3 groups, including the referral group where one can share an offer with their friends. Now, essentially, MentionMe can put all the people who are likely to share into the referral group and all the other people in the other groups so that MentionMe can test out ways to better improve their sharing behavior. We estimated that using the model prediction to allocate customer for one client can recover £17,000 revenue for MentionMe and £240,000 revenue for this client for 1 year. Lastly, I have created an API that allows MentionMe to pass customer data through a secure faculty platform to get real-time predictions. To conclude, I have demonstrated there's untapped value in the data for the business. I have developed machine learning models that can accurately predict who's likely to share and the share methods. I have deployed the model, and also I have demonstrated the power of AI in referral marketing. Thank you.